Hello everyone, so today I am gonna do some editing video for the mobile using the VSCO, and this is the shoot I did with Jessica today from Canada, and we did a quick fun 1 hour shoot. Check out her Instagram right here, and so let's get started. I'm gonna use VSCO. As many of you have known from my comments, I use the subscribed it, the VSCO X. So I'm gonna use the U3 for the editing. So here is gonna use the U3 a little bit. I'm gonna reduce the HXSL. So just reduce some blue in the background, and then increase the contrast a little bit. So on average, each of my photo is gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes per photos, and I'm using before this I'm using the face tune to do a little bit of retouching on the face as well. So I'm gonna crop like closer toward the center of the head right here, leave a little bit of headroom for the spacing. So this is before and after. I'm gonna add a little bit sharper right there, and then save as a draft. And if you want to copy the same style, copy edit, and then I'm gonna paste these three here. So I copied the style, and let me double check the HSL, and then I'm gonna crop closer to this one. So this one I crop even closer to crop out the TV from the back as well. So I crop it closer, increase a little bit of the exposure and the overcast U3, so you can see the before and after. And save as draft, and if you want to turn on the save to camera roll, just feel free to save the camera roll also. Right now I'm gonna save as draft because I saved it before already. So let me just paste this. Once I paste it out, it's pretty quick. So this one, just make sure it's around the center right here. Yep, that's good. Save it, and then these couple ones have a similar lighting, so I'm just that's why on average if I edit on my phone is around 2 to 3 minutes, pretty quick. And then let me edit this one. So you can check out the VSCO X, included a lot more filter in here. You can have access to all the filters that are available, and these are my favorite ones in case you want to check it out. So I'm just gonna scroll from the left to right. The one that I marked down as my favorite one, you can check it out to use my similar tone as well. So this one also, I like this one. I'm going to increase a little bit more contrast, and then save it like this. Okay, so save it. And then the previous one, I also edited this one from my Instagram, the one that I saw. So I'm gonna do a quick edit. So I use the U3 for this whole set to be consistent. So I'm gonna make it around here, and then reduce the highlight save, increase the contrast a little bit, sharpness, increase sharpness, and then now I'm doing the cropping. And then make sure the eyes are around the top third grid position, and then undo the blue in the background. Just reduce the blue a little bit, increase the sharpness a little bit more, and then slightly increase. So this is gonna be a very quick video. I'm gonna edit this one as well. So let me move back, clear all. So this is the before the edits. So I'm gonna add U3 for this, and then increase highlight, save sharpness, increase a little bit of the contrast, and then slightly crop it tighter to the eyes. So this is pretty good to me. And thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.